Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making a garlic ginger paste. So let's head into the kitchen and get started. Okay guys, so we're going to make a garlic ginger paste, and these are the ingredients we're going to use in order to make it. So here I have a red bell pepper cut up. This is about half of the bell pepper. I have some seasoning peppers that I'm also going to add to it. Now if you have green chilies and you like your stuff spicy, you can use green chili. I don't have any green chilies, but I'm going to add 2 pieces of jalapeno pepper to it. I'm not going to add too much because my family doesn't really like spice so much, so that's why I'm just adding 2 pieces. But if you like spice, you can add more, or if you have access to green chilies, you can add how many, to your preference, how many you want to add. So here I have just 2 pieces of jalapeno peppers, 1 cup of ginger cut up. I have 1 cup of garlic here. Here I have some coriander leaves or cilantro leaves. If I had more, I would have added more. Unfortunately, this is all I have. So this is what I have here. I have about 1 cup of, I'm using coconut oil. And I have 1 cup of water here. So this is what we're going to use in order to make our garlic ginger paste. Let's get started blending everything together. Okay guys, our ginger garlic paste is now completed. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.